Welcome back to the SAM test. Okay, right, I have my car all the way around now, and I've turned the log up this way. So now we're ready to make some cuts here and across here, lose some of this material, and then we can decide. We'll kind of go with the grain and the, well, not the grain, but the, you know, how the wood is, and make it work for me. It's fucking light. Yeah. Beautiful. Shit. As you can see, I am trying to cut off the smallest amount possible at the moment. This gives me a little bit more material to work with. Yeah, it's going alright. Square it. Oh yeah. I've now cut the four sides, like rough cut, obviously. Now I can kind of see, well, where I've fucked up at the bottom, so I'll obviously make these cut a bit deeper so that they all meet, you know, you should see. Okay, right now I'm starting to do my well, kind of whatever lines they are. So I'm kind of cutting across the grain as well as along the grain, which is kind of annoying. It makes the chainsaw want to go straight or really pissed. You can see, if you can see, you can see where I'm sort of trying to go. I might have to take a second swipe, which is probably going to be easier because it means I don't have to bend my you know, chainsaw. So it's taking shape now. This is similar to what I done on my last table I made, but I think the stalk or leg or whatever you want to call it was smaller, so I don't know whether to cut it down so that the actual base on the floor is not as big, or I'm not sure. Needs a bit tidying up, obviously, but we'll tidy it up and we'll spin it over and we'll have a look. We might cut a bit off of it. Okay, we've got it up the right way now, so it looks, I need to cut more off the bottom because it doesn't look kind of proportional, and it weighs quite a bit. I just use the chainsaw to go over the top to kind of flatten it a little bit. I don't want to router this to be flat. I don't have any tools to make this flat, any big jigs or anything like that. So chainsaw and a sander will hopefully. I don't care if it's got some waves in it. It doesn't need to be dead flat. I think it's better if it's a little bit more natural looking. I think all of my chainsaw work is done, and start getting it to look a bit. So I've got it sanded up reasonably far, down to 120 at the moment. Because it is the what's it called? The cross cut. And it's kind of hard to make it perfect. There's lots of little dimples and stuff, and this log has a good in the middle. It's just a bit wet on this side for some reason, but I think a bit of oil will go quite well on it. I've now turned the table back up the wrong way, and I've coated it in what is it? It's like a sealant. So I'm hoping that by putting this on here, it will keep some of the moisture, you know, on the underside. I haven't done the edges yet. For this, I'm going to put oil on this, but I want to get the top a little bit better before I commit to doing it all. I think that oil kind of come out quite nicely. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. You've been watching the SAM test. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.